Hi, I'm Moody Black, founder of Making Words Move Institute. A lot of times, people fail to communicate things properly and things get lost in translation. The reason I developed Making Words Move, I wanted to teach people how to manifest, inspire, and motivate through their words, to offer an opportunity for people in the workplace or students in schools to learn how to effectively communicate and use their words for leadership and also for just life itself. You can use poetry, you can use team building exercises, or just to have a workshop in your community. I want to make people use their words to express every aspect of their lives, where we actually make words move. There's a movement in our words. I wanted people of all ages to be able to learn how to express themselves and have fun with it.